In this video, I'm going to show you a free AI art generator that is really useful and even better than Midjourney in some places. So this is really great and you don't want to miss anything, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end and make sure to leave a like and to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into this. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to go to Google, and here we want to search for something called Neural Love AI art generator. So just click on that, and then this first link will pop up right here, free AI art generator. So just click on that if you are there then, and then we are right here where we can create some nice AI art. And if you scroll down, you can see this is what users already generated, which looks really cool. So yeah, this is a lot of different things you can do with this. So now let's just, for example, create something. So we will just search for that and then generate this for free. First of all, we have to sign up. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account, and then we can get right into this. So now we search for that, create a beach with palm trees at night with a purple pink sky. So now we will just have to wait a second for it to generate it. And as you guys can see, it has generated our AI art. This is the first image, which looks really great. Then this is another one. I think this looks so good. And here's also another one. And I really like all of these pictures. This is another great one. And this one is also great too. So yeah, these are a lot of different pictures you can use. And I really like this. So now let's get back and, for example, create something else. Let's say a person. So let's just search for that. Now we'll see what it can come up with this time. So we'll just have to wait a second. And as you guys can see, this is what it came up with. This is really great. As you guys can see, we have a little bridge going over a river, and we have some orange sky. Here it's more focused on the person. I don't really like that one as much, but this one is another great one. I really like that. And yeah, I mostly like that first one. But this is really great. Now we can even enhance that. So we can resize that, for example. So we'll just have to wait a second. And it has enhanced the image quality of this picture now. So that's a great way to do this. So let's just do a final one. Now let's, for example, copy one of these prompts, which is really cool since you can get the prompts off here. You can just get the prompts from other people off here and then generate them yourself, and you will get a different outcome too. So this is really great. So let's just do that for a second. And as you guys can see, this is what it came up with. This is absolutely stunning, and I really like this picture a lot. So this is really cool what you can do with this. Also, this one is great. If you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And definitely check out neural.love. This is a great tool to use. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.